How you doing, guys? Chris here from Divergent Drones. Well, leaks for the new DJI Mini 3 are really starting to pour in. Now we have the frame of the Mini 3. We have to thank Jasper from Leaks27 and Bilabo for posting these pictures and video of this new frame. And if you look here at the DJI Mini 2 frame, you can see it's quite a difference. It's not the information we were expecting to see, like the FCC filing for the new Mini, but it'll do. This new frame design looks a lot bigger and a lot heavier than the previous Mini frame design. I wonder how they're going to pull off the sub 250 grams. And if we look here closely at this new frame design, this new rotating arm in the front as opposed to the back, we've seen something like this in a diagram by DJI, but I don't think the motors are going to be in pusher configuration for the Mini 3, so this must be reserved for another drone. If we take a good look at this new frame, it confirms that the new DJI Mini 3 is going to have this frog-eyed shape. It's not unexpected that DJI would do a complete redesign for the Mini 3 compared to the Mini 2, the Mini SE, and the original Mini. Let's just hope this ugly duckling is a swan in the air. If we look at the rear section of the Mini 3 frame, we can see the USB-C port and the SD card slot for external storage, so most of this is pretty standard from the original. Alright guys, stay tuned for more updates. I'm sure there's more to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.